Take a ride in the 2015 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.